We are living in a world where we cannot escape the invasion of our privacy. Every website you visit and every app you use is storing data on your personal history, which could be used by cybercriminals to steal your identity or install malicious software, such as spyware, ransomware, and viruses. The consequences can be devastating, with victims suffering financial loss and emotional strain. It takes only one attack to have your information compromised. We have the solution so you won't have to worry about these threats. Cybercriminals are constantly on the move, but we're always ahead of them. Get protection today so that when they strike again our service will protect you from harm's way. To learn more about this service, click link below.